Meaning of gyration.
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 Gyration. Gyration refers to the act of rotating or spinning around a central point. It can also refer to the circular motion of an object as it moves through space. Gyration is commonly seen in physics, especially in the study of angular momentum and gyroscopes. In biology, it can refer to the movement of microorganisms or cells, such as when they swim or move in a circular pattern. Overall, gyration describes circular or rotational motion, which can be found in a variety of fields ranging from physics to biology.